In today's video we're going to talk to you about something that is near and dear to our heart: starting your own business. We know that the idea of starting your own business can be incredibly daunting, and that's why we want to talk to you today about how to overcome some of the common fears that hold us back from taking that first step. First of all, starting a business doesn't have to be a massive undertaking. It doesn't have to be a revolutionary new idea that changes the world. It can be something small, like a side hustle or a passion project. The important thing is that it's something that you're passionate about and that can provide you with a second stream of income. It's important for women to have multiple streams of income. It's not just about financial security, it's about having control over our own futures. And that's exactly what starting a business can give you. We know that there are a lot of fears that can hold us back from taking that first step. So, we want to talk to you today about some of the most common fears and how to overcome them. The first fear is the fear of failure. This is a really common fear, and it's one that is totally understandable. The thought of putting yourself out there and potentially failing can be incredibly daunting. But here's the thing: failure is not the end of the world. It's not a reflection of your worth as a person. It's simply an opportunity to learn and grow. And the truth is, even the most successful entrepreneurs have failed at some point in their careers. The key is to not let the fear of failure hold you back. Another fear that I often hear is the fear of not having enough money. Starting a business can be expensive, and it's understandable that the thought of not having enough money can be overwhelming. But here's the thing: you don't have to have a lot of money to start a business. There are plenty of small businesses that you can start with very little money, like starting out reselling items in your own home online. And even if you do need to invest some money, there are plenty of ways to raise money, such as crowdfunding or small business loans. The key is to not let the fear of not having enough money hold you back. The third fear we often hear is the fear of not knowing what to do. There's a lot that goes into starting a business, and it can be overwhelming to try to figure out where to start. But here's the thing: you don't have to know everything right away. You can start by doing some research, talking to other entrepreneurs, and learning as you go. And, if you're looking for some guidance, our course on starting a business is a great resource. You'll find all the information and support you need to get started. And finally, the fear of not being good enough. This is a fear that I think we all struggle with at some point. But the truth is, you are more than capable of starting a business. You are more than capable of achieving your dreams. The key is to believe in yourself and to not let the fear of not being good enough hold you back. So, as you can see, there are a lot of fears that can hold us back from starting a business. But the truth is, none of these fears are insurmountable. You are more than capable of overcoming them and achieving your dreams. Starting a business can be incredibly rewarding. Not only will it give you financial security, but it will also give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment and control over your own future. And even if you're just starting out with a small side hustle, the important thing is that you're taking that first step. Starting a business is not easy, but it's worth it. It may take time, effort, and some hard work, but the rewards are immeasurable. You'll be your own boss, create something that you're passionate about, and have a sense of pride knowing that you've built something on your own. So, don't let your fears hold you back. Take that first step and start building your own business today. And remember, we are here to support you every step of the way. If you want to take the next step in starting a business or a side hustle, you can check out our How to Prepare for Your Entrepreneurial Journey webinar, where you'll learn the 5 guiding principles for building a business that aligns with your life and your goals. You can find the link in this video's description. We encourage you to take that first step towards building a business that you're passionate about and that will provide you with a second stream of income. And remember, getting started is the most important thing, so don't wait, take action today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more career and business tips.